Here I have Motorola Moto G9 Plus, and today I'm going to show you how to enter boot mode on this device. So first of all, what you have to do is to turn your device off by holding power key. And after it completely turns off, what you have to do is to hold down a combination of keys, power key and volume down for a few seconds, like this. And after that you will enter boot mode. That's how it looks like. You can navigate through it using volume keys. Here you have these options like start, restart bootloader, recovery mode, power off, bootloader locks and barcodes. And that's it. If you want to exit boot mode, just select option start with volume up keys and then confirm it with power key, and your device will be restarted after this. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.